Because water is a vital resource, the world needs ways to use it more responsibly. That's why Diehl Metering develops smart metering solutions to empower everyone to use water more efficiently. And that requires outstanding quality. To achieve this, we merged our 6 production sites into a single management system with common certification to ensure the same high standards worldwide. Since the opening of our Bajanovice plant in 1991, we've continuously improved the way we serve our customers. Through the expertise and dedication of our teams. Through cutting-edge engineering and innovation. Over the past 30 years, our Polish site has produced more than 30 million meters across all industries and all types of technology. Behind every success, there is a team of great people, continually seeking new ways to do things better. Thanks to them, we've built the success of our products on quality and reliability. Earning trust and building lasting relationships with our customers and partners. Consistently finding new ways to shape a more sustainable future for everyone, everywhere.